In this video, I'm going to show you how to change phone number on Credit Karma. So this is actually quite simple and can be done both on your mobile app on iOS and Android and on your computer on the desktop web. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to do it on desktop or web, so either on your computer or on the website on your mobile phone. First, you will have to log in into Credit Karma on their website and go to your security settings. From there, you'll have to enter your new phone number in the Add and Verify Your Phone Number section, and then after that, you will have to tap the Update button. Then you'll have to select Text Me, and you should receive a text message with your verification code. Then simply enter that verification code you received to your phone and tap Verify. Now, this is basically it, but if you're using the iOS app, here's how you do it. So, open up the app and tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the app, tap Settings under General, tap Contact and Security, and then tap Edit next to your phone number. Then you have to enter in your new phone number and then tap Continue, select Text Me yet again, and then you should receive a text message with your verification code, and then simply enter the verification code you received to your phone and tap Submit, and that's it. And then on the Android, it's actually quite similar, so you have to tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the app, tap Settings under General, again go into Contact and Security, tap Edit next to your phone, and then enter your new phone number, tap Continue, then again you will receive a text message with your verification code, and then you simply have to enter that verification code you received to your phone and tap Verify, and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.